I have been looking for the perfect cosmetic carrying case, and honestly, there are two things that I absolutely love about this one that you don't often see in many of them. So we're going to go ahead and unzip it. So the first thing right off the bat that I absolutely love is that you've got this hook here, but I love that they have it attached here. So this is not going to get hooked on anything on the inside here. So all you have to do is unhook that. And when you get to your destination, you can hook this behind a door. You can hook it in the closet, wherever it may be, so that everything is nice and displayed like this. The other thing that I absolutely love, and I'm unsure if I've ever seen before in any other one, is you have these elastic pieces here, which you can slip in your hairbrush, your deodorant, your perfume bottle, whatever you are putting in here. Yes, you can just throw into the bottom, or you can have them slid inside here, standing up, so things are not being thrown all over the place, all willy-nilly inside your suitcase, which again, huge bonus. Nobody likes to clean up a huge mess once you get to or from your destination. And then of course, this just folds in like this. We're gonna hook that in there, zipper up, and then you've got these cute little handles. Everything's nice, compact, and will stay neat.